Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open up Facebook. So once you open up Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to scroll, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to scroll until you will find an option of your information. Okay, and here you can simply need to click on download your information. Okay, once you are on that section, you simply need to deselect all and click on messages you have exchanged with other people on Messenger. Okay, then you need to scroll until the bottom. Okay, and here you need to select the date range. So let me select from 1 August to 5th August. Okay, and here you can select the format and click on create file. So now you can see that the file is creating. Okay, and a copy will be sent to your email address, and you can download that copy in no time once it is ready. So this is a process by which you can recover Messenger deleted messages. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.